Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to boost your TikTok earnings and join the TikTok Creativity Program beta from anywhere in the world, even if you're not in one of the eligible countries, then you're in the right video. I am not in the eligible countries and I'm making over $20,000 a month across all my faceless TikTok pages, and TikTok has paid me every single time. And by the way, I am in Canada, so that's why I have to use the VPN method, which I'm going to explain to you guys how to do. So exactly what is the TikTok Creativity Program beta? First off, simply put, it's a monetization method to reward creators for producing high quality and original content. Unlike the Creator Fund, which many of you might already be familiar with, the Creativity Program beta focuses on rewarding, engaging, and authentic content. What's got everyone buzzing about this program is the RPM, or revenue per 1,000 views. On average, creators can earn around $1 per 1,000 qualified views, with some making up to $2 per 1,000 views. So imagine getting 1 million views monthly, an extra $1,000 in your pocket just for creating TikToks. Sounds amazing, right? Eligibility criteria. So who can exactly join? Here's the criteria. You gotta be at least 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers, accumulate a minimum of 100,000 views in the last 30 days, operate a personal account, not a business account, and you have to abide by TikTok's community guidelines. And you must be located in one of the eligible regions. But do not worry, even if you're not in one of those regions, we'll show you how to bypass this restriction later in the video. So I recommend you guys use the VPNs in the pinned comment down below. They're going to be the entire method, but I'm going to explain it all. So how to join if you're eligible. If you meet the criteria and are already in the Creator Fund, here's what you're going to do. Open up the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the menu and then tap Settings. Go to Creator Tools and then Creator Fund. At the bottom of the page, switch to the Creativity Program. If you're not in the Creator Fund, follow these same steps. But instead of Creator Fund, tap Creativity Program and apply. You'll be notified within 3 days if your application is accepted. Keep in mind, once you switch to the Creativity Program, you cannot go back to the Creator Fund, but with the higher earnings potential, I doubt you're gonna miss it. Detailed steps to join from any country. Now the exciting part, how to join the Creativity Program beta from any country. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide to help you bypass regional restrictions. Set your phone's language and location. Set your phone's language and location. Go to your phone settings, set the language to English, and change the location to the USA or another eligible country. This helps in aligning your phone settings with the target region. Second step, remove your SIM card. Take out your current SIM card to avoid any location tracking. If you're using an eSIM, try to disconnect it temporarily. Use an eSIM or physical SIM card from the target country. You can purchase an eSIM or a physical SIM card from the country you want to appear in. Websites like eBay or specialized eSIM providers can help you with this. If you want a really good USA SIM, I highly recommend US Mobile on Amazon. They're only $1 each, so it's super cheap. You just restart your phone. So it's super cheap, you pop it in and you don't even have to create a phone line with them. So it's just $1. Okay, so next you guys are gonna want to restart your phone. Restarting ensures that all changes are applied correctly. Then you're gonna have to download and set up a VPN. This is the most important step, guys. We're gonna need a high quality VPN that has not been rinsed or spammed. So for this, we will have to use either NordVPN or ExpressVPN. Personally, I prefer Nord because the quality is amazing and the speeds are top notch. Their IP addresses look very real to TikTok and all my videos go viral when using Nord. To try it out, use the link in the pinned comment. This will get you a good discount with NordVPN or ExpressVPN. And to download the apps, they're both on the App Store and Google Play Store, so it's really easy to set up. Okay, next guys, we're gonna open TikTok and start scrolling. Open TikTok and begin scrolling through the For You page. Make sure the content and comments are from the target country. If you see content from your current country, adjust your TikTok language settings to English and keep interacting with the app. Be patient and consistent. Keep scrolling and interacting for a few minutes to a few hours. It might take some time, but eventually the algorithm will recognize your new location. If it does not appear, don't worry, just restart the app a few times over the next few days and continue engaging with content from the target country. Troubleshooting common issues. Now let's talk about some common issues you guys might encounter and how to solve them. Content still appears from your original country. If you're still seeing content from your original country, double check that your VPN settings and ensure it's connected to the right server. Also make sure your TikTok language preferences are set to English and restart the app. Application not accepted. If your application to the creativity program is not accepted, it might be due to not meeting one of the eligibility criteria. Double check your follower count, recent views, and ensure your content adheres to the TikTok's community guidelines. VPN connection issues. Sometimes free VPNs might not be as reliable if you experience connectivity issues. Consider using the premium VPNs like our recommended NordVPN ExpressVPN, which is known for its reliability and speed. Tips to maximize earnings in the creativity program. Once you guys are in the TikTok creativity program beta, here are some tips to maximize your earnings. Create high quality engaging content. Focus on producing high quality original content that resonates with your audience. Use good lighting, clear audio, and engaging visuals. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, collaborate with other creators, and engage with your followers. The more engagement your videos get, the higher your potential earnings. Post consistently. Consistency is a key on TikTok. Try to post regularly every single day to keep your audience engaged and keep you in the algorithm and attract new followers. Analyze your performance. Use TikTok's analytics tools to track your video's performance. Pay attention to what types of content are doing well and adjust your strategy accordingly. Stay updated on trends. Keep an eye on the latest TikTok trends and incorporate them into your content. Trending topics and challenges can boost your visibility and engagement. Wrap up and call to action. And there you have it, folks. Everything you need to know about the TikTok Creativity Program Beta and how to join, even if you're not in one of the eligible countries. By following the steps we've outlined here in this video, you can start boosting your TikTok earnings and making the most out of your creative content. Creating high quality, engaging content and staying consistent is key to maximizing earnings. Don't forget to interact with your audience and watch the latest trends to stay ahead. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss an update from any of us. But make sure you use the VPN links down below, guys. This is not going to work if you use any other free VPN that's low quality and rinsed by all the other community members that are trying to do this method as well. So NordVPN and ExpressVPN is where it's at.